Okay, well, very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're fit and well. This is these screens here. Let me try and organize a slightly different way. Here we go. Are bank feeds or feeds from liquidity providers. And where my arrow is here, LP is liquidity provider. And this is what's happening on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, and we've been beautifully red on the 5 minute. And if you want to look at 15 minutes, boom, we can change it there. So the overall trend is down. We've got a trade on for a quick scalp, shorted here, target profit here, going for 10 pips, and it's looking good. Now, basically, big picture, there was news out today about the Australian dollar, nothing outstanding. It had a little bit of a pop upwards, and it's doing a retrace, which any of you technical guys could do with your 15-minute candles. Let me just pull out there a little bit. I did a trend line on the 5-minute candle. There's a trend, almost like a channel. It broke the channel, retraced up as expected, and got in here. So going for a 10 pip move here. This is in the Asian session. It's about 2 o'clock in Singapore, and the Asian session will be ending in about an hour when London opens, and then incredible volume will be coming through. Oops, excuse me. The point of having the information about liquidity providers, it's not push button software whereby you can automatically trade, and you still have to do work and due diligence and risk management, but basically you're watching the banks and the big hedge funds, as they generally say in the financial world, the liquidity providers, meaning they provide the cash and the leverage for you. You can see what they're doing. So this player up here has got 43% of the market and is basically selling. However, you have to work out and read this like a tape, because 31% are also buying, and then 12% are also negative. And these are the percentages. Overall, it's 39.26 negative, 30. And it's going to change all the time. Can't give you a running commentary there. But it acts as, you need to use this as an additional tool. It's not a get-rich-quick tool, but it's a very good way to watch what the big liquidity providers are doing and where the smart money is. And it can act basically, or the way I use it, is as a confirmation tool. I do all my normal research, but just to check to see if I'm right or wrong, I can look at the liquidity providers and basically say to myself, oh, they're doing something different, in which case I'm not going in, or they're doing the same as me, then I'm in. So if they're doing the same as what I'm thinking about doing, I'm quite happy being with the big guys. So it's a confirmation tool, and a very, very good one. Imagine if you knew what the banks were doing. Just ask yourself that. If you knew what the banks were trading and the big funds and the brokers, excuse me, then do you think that would help you? Those are the key questions to ask. Now, I've been in this trade a very short time, probably about 20 minutes or something, and this is on a real account, by the way. So, I'm not doing silly demo accounts like you see so many videos. Oh, I'm doing it on a demo because I can't show you my real account. It's all real here. This is not a big account, but I'm not about to reveal too many details about it. But it is real. So the emotions are real when you go into the trade. Only trade on a demo account for a short while. Get used to the platform. That's the only reason to have a demo account. And then start placing, you place your orders, stops, targets, adjust orders, monitor the trade, assess your risk management, change your risk, adapt or die basically in the market. That's what the demo is there for. When you know how to operate a demo platform, and you should know how to do that in about a week or maybe 2 weeks, depending on how much time you've got, but then put real money in. Otherwise, you'll never make progress because you're never going to make money on a demo account. So you need to get in there and see how you feel about your money on a trade, because we're all different. And there's no one size or formula fits all people because people are different. Anyway, this trade is looking pretty promising. There's a lot of data coming out on the pound today at about 3:30 UK time.